Na simu megongwa hapa nje watu wangu. Mara excavator, sijui uliambiwa zitaenda 2, sijui ku-excavate. Mara sijui zikatukua lori 30. Wewe unajenga na ushagongwa before ujenge. You don't have to excavate. What we are doing sisi kama Floor Deco Kenya ama ukipenda BBF, tuna suspend nyumba using these awesome blocks you're seeing behind me. Zinaitwa beams ama ukipenda T-beams ama beam to beam. This is what we use. We suspend the house immediately tu tumeka columns kule chini, tunaekelea beam zetu, and then on the sides kwa hizi T-beam tunakuwekea blocks zinaitwa filler blocks. I'm going to show you how it's done. Sawa sawa? Wacha nikujenge ala. Unagongwa aje nikiwa? Come with me. Nataka kuwaintroduce the expert in this. Nimewaambia huwa tubahatishe sisi Floor Deco. Mr. A Kibaru will take us through. Ndio mwelewe zaidi. Ndio mkigongwa msisamange hatukuwa jenga. Sawa sawa. Mr. A Kibaru.
Hey, hi people.
Hi.
Good. Karibuni sana to the factory.
Yes.
This is where we produce the Prestressed T-beams. It's very, very, very innovative and also very affordable. And the process is very straightforward. We use high strength steel in a car wire.
In a car wire, yes.
Yeah, but wire inaangaliango na tensile strength. So hii ni wire iko na very high strength tensile strength. Iko na tensile strength ya 1770 Newton millimeter squared.
Okay.
Ukikunja hivi hatuwezi kunja, na hata ukikunja inarudi. The high strength steel is what I'm holding here. It's very popular for cranes. Unaona crane nenua na huwa ikatiki. So we use this on this bed here. They come in rolls. Tunaingiza kwa mashini alafu tunaikaza. Can you imagine hii wire vile unaiona hapa ikikuwa almost double its length again by stretching, inavuta kaka bladder.
Expandable.
Yes. But we have to use a machine, and that machine is what we call stress. So we add stress to the wire, and if the wire is not strong enough, it's going to cut. So once it's fully stressed, we then now pour concrete on the mold. Remember one thing, concrete is very good in compression. Shikananga inakuwa mawe, but it lacks flexibility. Kifanya hivi na katika kama biscuit. And that's why we put rebar inside to give it the flexibility that it needs. If the rebar inside is stressed, the flexibility is very strong, and that's why we use this material for building the bridges. For building that expressway. So this is the main material, or the main raw material for building these Prestressed T-beam. We call it Prestressed T-beam because iko na wire 3 hapa chini na moja hapa juu. And this beam comes out of a mold like this. So when we pour concrete and the concrete compresses, remember the concrete here is class 60. Ziko na nguvu pia concrete. I know most people are used to class 20, class 25. This class 60. And class 60 is a design mix, not easily made. It has to be well engineered. So the moment the concrete cures, then we release the stress. Remember I told you guys wire ilikuwa imekazwa. So when we want to remove our beams when they are already cured, we have to release the stress. And during the process of the wire returning to its original shape, it finds concrete, which is very good in compression. It has compressed, and the wire has nowhere to move to. So if the wire cannot go through, then you end up with a product that has stress inside. What kind of a stress are we talking about? We are talking of stress of this wire trying to go back, and the concrete is refusing for it to go. So there are forces inside, and those forces is what we use to support a structure, a bridge, a road. I know you've been on an expressway and you have a heavy truck, unasikia barabara ina bounce because there are stresses inside. And this is what we are talking about here today, building our slabs in a very efficient manner, very affordable, and a very straight up way with pre-stressed concrete. We call it ready to assemble slabs because these are ready to assemble slabs. Inatoka hapa kama iko size measured, unaenda una assemble.
So hizi tunaona huku the styrofoams, the white. So ni ya kumaanisha kuna client hizi ni measurement za specific site.
So when you give me your structural drawings, we're able to produce as per the drawings. And if the drawings have a few changes, we send our technician at the site to measure exactly what is needed. And then we custom for that particular building. Nikitoka hapa inaenda, kuna kukatakata, kuna guesswork, inaenda inaekelewa.
Penye imepimiwa inaenda inatoshea kabisa.
Yes. And these prestressed T-beams work in conjunction with a mold. Not actually a mold, a block. We call it a filler block. Inaingia katikati ya hiyo beam na ingine inajishikilia hapo ndani. So this is a prestressed T-beam. Inakaa reli by the way. Hii ndio tunaekelea kule juu kwa nyumba. Na hii inaitwa filler block.
Filler block.
Filler block. Filler block inaingia hapa ndani. Ina lock.
Yes.
Unachukua filler block ingine inaingia hapa ndani, zinaita lock.
Zina lock.
Kuna jamaa mmoja wa services, plumber, electrician. Huyo ndio akona maswali, anauliza aje, nitapeleka wapi kebo zangu za floor trap ya bafu? Nitapitisha aje, hii ni room nataka kuweka point ya light.
Yes.
So this block, if you want to do a floor trap, lazima uwe na grinder. Una grind shimo, unaweka services yako floor trap vizuri hapa. Unaweza grind na chini, utobweka shimo, utoe point ya stima hapa. Na pia unaweza pitisha pipe zako huko ndani. Na hii hollow section kuna kazi ngapi? 2. Unaweza kwa apartment, ukikuwa huko juu unasikia watu wakiruka, inaleta hiyo sound, ina transmit. So this one becomes a vacuum, so no transmission of sound from the upper floors. Soundproof. So the hollow section is for soundproofing. The hollow section is to run your services. Pitisha pipe na hapa ndani, cable. Na by the way, slab inaletanga shida, unataka kuifanya repair, unaweza kujiotoa the topping. Because after tusha lock, unakuja tunakoroka kitu ka 50 mm, 2 inches only hapa juu. Na tuweki BRC.
Hakuna BRC.
Tuna mix kokoto yetu na fiber mesh. We'll be talking more fiber mesh, reinforced concrete, FRC, to showcase people how to save costs with FRC. Cheap, easy to handle, very durable, and you get strong concrete floors.
I'm sure kuna mtu ako pale majuu ama diaspora anajiuliza, nikitaka kwenda kujenga ama nikitaka kujenga nikiwa mbali, how many days will my house take?
It depends with the size of a house. I'm assuming you're doing a flat room, which is a 5-bedroom house. It take about 30 days.
30 days.
30 days. And 30 days means what? You need to engage us way before you arrive here so that we can have all your slabs ready, including your foundation slab. If you're building on the black cotton soil, your first floor slab, your final slab, and the rooftop slab. So when you have this material ready at your site, kazi yako itakuwa tu ni chuma, kufunga, kukoroga, columns, rim beams. Mkimaliza, mnaekelea ready to assemble slabs. Quick.
So you pre-order ndio save time.
Ndio save time.
Ndio you take the 30 days.
Yes.
Juu hizi ita take time to dry.
These we produce the beams within 18 hours. They don't need to dry because we use a lot of chemicals. 18 hours. The blocks takes about 4 days to dry.
Wow.
And when we are talking of nyumba kwa imeisha, we are talking of the structural element. We're not talking of you doing the final flooring, the paint work. The structural element, the structural imeisha yote, 30 days.
And that's it for today, watu wangu. Msiseme siku wachanua. Msiseme Njeri technology mpya ikukuja akutuambia. So we are Floor Deco Kenya. Ukitaka hiyo technology tunaita BBF. Come to our shops hapo Kijabe Street opposite Simlo Seeds. Or you come all the way to our godowns. Tumesema tukujenge ndio uweze kujenga. Thank you very much. See you. Namba ndio hizo hapo, tuwasiliane. Bye.